Project number 7, design of a residential anti-theft alarm system with a PLC. Hello friends, in this project we aim to create a residential defense anti-theft system with 4 magnetic sensors, a camera, an alarm lamp, and a photocell sensor. Pressing the Start button activates the system, while pressing ACK or Acknowledge button resets it and turns off the alarm. Depression of the Stop push button deactivates the whole system. Press the Start button to activate the system, illuminating the armed signal light and activating the camera. The system then enters a standby state, continuously monitoring all sensor statuses. When any anti-theft sensors 1 to 4 and photocell, are activated, the PLC activates the flashing alarm light and starts a 30-second timer. If the ACK button is not pressed within this time frame of 30 seconds, the siren activates and stays on until the ACK button is pressed. Pressing the ACK button deactivates both the siren and alarm, returning the system to the standby stage. Pressing the Stop button prompts the PLC to deactivate all output systems and halt the control program execution. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. Alright, as you see right now, the system is off, the burglar system is off. To turn it on, I just go ahead and tap on I0.0, which is a start input push button. System is working right now. Notice that Q00 and 01 are on, means camera is on, and means I0.0 this armed signal lamp is on. System is on his standby status right now. Is monitoring input sensors. Remember that we said to activate the system, the Start button must be pressed to turn on the armed signal light and the camera. Right now camera is on. That comes from this output, and also armed signal that comes from this output. These two are on. The system transitions to a standby state in which it is monitoring the status of all input sensors, such as sensor number 1, sensor number 2, sensor number 3, 4, and I0.6, which is sensor number 6, photocell. So, armed signal and camera, both of them are on, and system is in a standby mode. I go ahead, activate one of the input sensors, such as I0.2. Notice that the timer is measuring the time, and to continue the scenario, if it is less than 30 seconds or more than 30 seconds. Right now, siren is off and alarmed signal is on a flashing, and after 30 seconds, notice that siren is turned on and alarm signal is also flashing. That means in reality, the system should start calling a police station or something. And from the beginning of the project, we said that to put the system into a standby stage, we have to tap on I0.7, which is acknowledgement. By tapping on I0.7, notice that system turned back to a standby state again, and right now monitoring all the input sensors. Q.0 and Q.1 are on, means camera and armed signal. Both of them are on, and system is on its standby stage, monitoring the status of all input sensors. So to see the function of the system, again I can go ahead and tap one of the input sensors. System is on its standby mode right now. Notice that armed signal and camera are on, and system is monitoring all input sensors. I go ahead and tap on stop input push button, and notice that camera are gonna turn off and also armed signal is gonna be turned off. System is shut down right now. It is not monitoring any input sensors. So upon the tapping on start push button, notice that camera and armed signal, both of them turned on. Q.0 and Q.1, both of them are on. Right now I go ahead and tap on I0.6, which is photocell sensor, and notice that system is timing again to continue. And since I tapped on the acknowledge signal before the end of 30 seconds, then system turned back to a standby stage. Right now, again, I tapped on I0.6, which is photocell. Now it is doing the same thing. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will be with you explaining the next project. By that time, take care. The project is successfully tested on a virtual S7300 PLC using Schematic Manager software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.